welcome. Today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap on the sound section. You'll see here the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode, click only once on the switcher, and to turn it off, click on the switcher once again. As we can see, the silent mode is activated, ringtones and notifications, they are muted, and when we just turn off the silent mode, the ring and notifications, they will ring. So also you can just activate it or turn off by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and here you should find the sound icon. Just click twice on the icon, and now we can see here that our phone is muted, so that means that the silent mode is activated. And just to turn off silent mode, click only once on the sound icon, and that's it. Also, we have this third way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and you'll see here this bell icon. Just click here twice on this icon to activate the silent mode, and to turn it off, just click only once on this icon, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.